guys, this story is called Carlos Joins the Team. Carlos, he loves to play baseball, and he catches with his little sister Selena. Looks like they have a dog too. And the baseball coach asks Carlos to join the team, and he does not sure he wants to join the team because he's new at school and he doesn't know anybody. And the coach says that playing in a new sport, a sport can help you make friends. So Carlos is pretty excited and he goes to bed even with his baseball glove on. And then at school, he meets a girl named Becky and she invites him to his birthday or her birthday party. And it's on the same time that he has a baseball game. So he can't decide what to do. And so he asked the coach if he can miss the game. And the coach is like, well, you decided to play and we'll be missing a player if you go. So he decides he shouldn't miss the game because the team will need him. So on the day of the big game, all the families are there watching. And Carlos helps the team win and Becky brings a cake. So everybody wins. It's a win-win situation. And that is the end of Carlos Joins the Team.